DevOps pipeline. A pipeline in software engineering team is a set of automated processes which allows DevOps professionals and developers to reliably and efficiently compile, build, and deploy their code to their production compute platforms. The most common components of a pipeline in DevOps are build automation or continuous integration, test automation, and deployment automation. A pipeline consists of a set of tools which are classified into the following categories such as source control, build tools, containerization, configuration management, monitoring. Continuous integration pipeline. Continuous integration is a practice in which developers can check their code into a version-controlled repository several times per day. Automated build pipelines are triggered by these checks, which allows fast and easy to locate error detection. Some significant benefits of CI are: small changes are easy to integrate into large code bases. More comfortable for other team members to see what you have been working. Fewer integration issues allowing rapid code delivery. Bugs are identified early, making them easier to fix, resulting in less bugging work. Continuous delivery pipeline. Continuous delivery is the process that allows operation engineer and developers to deliver bug fixes, features, and configuration change into production reliably, quickly, and sustainably. Continuous delivery offers the benefit of code delivery pipelines, which are carried out that can be performed on demand. Some significant benefits of CD are faster bug fixes and features delivery. CD allows the team to work on features and bug fixes in small batches, which means user feedback received much quicker. It reduces the overall time and cost of the project.